The panel discussion dealt with biosecurity and plant health, and it's a very important topic because we're all dependent on legislation, what it means for the industry looking forward, what's going to be the impact. We were very privileged to have quite a high level team of experts, representatives from government on the one side, from DARAT. We had the registrar of Act 36 to speak with us. And then we also had Dr. Amanda Rabuli from the department, who is the eminent in the Directorate of Plant Health. And then we had representatives from industry as well. So I think it was a good panel discussion, very important, quite technical. I think one of the key takeaways for me for this panel discussion was basically that there seems to be a move away from the old type of approach, of a top-down approach by government, into a more cooperative approach, taking industry into account. So going forward, I think we can look forward to interaction with the officials, with government. That's going to take more note of what's important for agriculture. But then also, I think from the plant companies, from the pesticide companies, upcoming biologicals, it was also important that we need a lot of inputs from the farmers themselves. So we need farmer inputs and cooperation on that level as well. So it's a very technically, it's a very technically minded session, I would say. Very difficult to summarize in 1 or 2 minutes, but hopefully the audience enjoyed it and got some benefit from it.